Hi everyone, Kim Flynn here. Welcome to another installment of CEO School with yours truly, Kim Flynn. Today we're going to talk about my favorite book of all time. And you guys, I read a lot of books. I probably read, I don't know, maybe 2 books a week. So probably a good 8 to 10 books a month. I am a reader. And so if you know that I am recommending this book as the best business book I have ever read, you know it's a dang good business book, right? I first of all should show you my book and be like, this is the best business book, but it's not. My book is really good. Check it out at Amazon. It's called Playing Big. But that, honestly, great book, but not the best business book I've ever read. This buddy right here, Tribe of Mentors, and it's really thick, just to intimidate you a little bit. So these books read like an entrepreneurial Bible. They are so full of great nuggets, great stories, great things to learn from other people. So this is like one chapter, and it's just like, it's like a 2.5 page read per chapter, right? So it's a really quick read, and you learn about these amazing people who are doing amazing things. This one's from Kyle Maynard. He is someone who was born without arms, without legs, and he's like hiked mountains and become this amazing wrestler. You've probably seen his YouTube videos. But this is what I loved in this one. It says, there's a Finnish word called sisu, the mental strength to continue to try even after you feel you've reached the limits of your abilities. I don't think failure is sometimes part of the process. It always is. When you feel you can't go on, know that you're just getting started. I would highly, highly recommend Tribe of Mentors by Tim Ferriss. So remember to like and subscribe, and feel free to comment as well. I'd love to read your comments and tell me what your favorite business book is as well. This is Kim Flynn reminding you to play big in your business by reading this amazing book. Thanks everyone.